Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular countertop ice machines, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver refreshing ice for your drinks, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details to see which one stands out. When it comes to price, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199 United States dollars, while the DUMOS Ice Maker is significantly more affordable at just $69 United States dollars. This price difference raises the question, is the higher price of the Ecozy justified by its features, or does the DUMOS offer better value for budget-conscious consumers? In terms of ice production, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive capacity of 33 pounds of chewable pellet ice daily, making it perfect for parties and gatherings. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker can produce 26 pounds of bullet ice in 24 hours. While both machines offer substantial ice production, the Ecozy clearly has the upper hand in this category, especially for those who entertain frequently. Both the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker come with self-cleaning functions, which is a significant advantage for users looking for low-maintenance appliances. This feature ensures that both machines remain hygienic and ready for use without the hassle of manual cleaning. However, the effectiveness and ease of use of these self-cleaning functions may vary, and we will explore that in detail. In conclusion, both the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker have their unique strengths. The Ecozy offers higher ice production and a premium feel, while the DUMOS provides excellent value for those on a budget. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.